Hi guys, am I live? Hi. What's up? What's up? Welcome to my live tutorial. I'm teaching Lazy Lamhe. Let me just quickly go live on Instagram as well. Let me get back to you. Okay, here we go. Am I live? Hi all. Let me just go live. There's some network issue. I'm not able to go live on Instagram. Lazy Lamhe hook step tutorial. Let's go live. Let's go live. Yes. Hi guys. What's up? Finally live on both the platforms. It is not easy, trust me, to go live on two places together, but I'm trying my best. So yeah, how is it going? Happy Sunday. I hope everyone's weekend has been kick-ass so far, and I hope everyone is ready to learn Lazy Lamhe hook step. Now many of you must be wondering why am I so lazy to take an entire class. Honestly, the thing is, my recent two routines for which I've got like maximum requests to take a tutorial are Lazy Lamhe and Ramta Jodi. Both the videos, both the songs, the choreography is not such that I can finish in one class. I think I need more than one class, and online workshop, I don't know, it just looks difficult. Plus, of course, I am lazy. Summer makes me lazy. I've had no vacation. So yeah, hook step learn karenge Lazy Lamhe ka. And what you can do is you can make shorts on YouTube and you can make reels on Instagram. So yeah, let's have some fun. Let's learn Lazy Lamhe hook step. I hope you all have seen my video. Let me just say hi to everyone. Hi everyone on Instagram. We have Yashaswini, Roshni, Meghna, Aditya. Hi everybody. And on YouTube, hi guys. So I did inform yesterday that I'm coming live. So we're not going to waste a lot of time. Let's start with a quick warm up. Meanwhile, others can join in, and then we'll start with the routine. Okay. And yes, I am going to save it. I'm going to save this live on Instagram as well as on YouTube. So let's go. Let's listen to our song and quickly warm up. Yes, you all can see me. Start with head rolls. Side. Change. Look to the side. Look down. Up. Start with circles. Opposite. Shoulders. Opposite. Hey guys. Okay. JJ. That's my song. So yeah. Continue, continue, continue. Open your arms. Slowly rotate. Opposite. Stop typing, guys. Warm up. If you want to learn the choreography, better warm up. Wrist rolls. Opposite. Okay. Point and flex. Circle. Opposite. Switch your foot. And now for your hands, bend forward, knees straight, back straight, don't hide. Wishing you all a very happy Holi. I know this is not, that's embarrassing. Okay, low. So I'll show you sideways. There should be no curve. Keep the back straight as possible. And it's okay if you can't bend further. For those who can, bend. Hold your elbows and now move from left to right. Okay, center and slowly roll up. Now, stretch. Plie and push your knees out with your elbows. Okay, one last time. Bend forward. I know this is not a holy track. We couldn't find it. And rise up slowly. I hope you like it. Do hit the like button. Do not forget to share the video. Okay. Alright. I think we've warmed up enough. A lot of you are typing. I don't know why. Maybe you're here to watch me and then later you're going to learn from this tutorial. Works for me. But if you want to learn live, leave the phone right now and join me. So, we're going to make this tutorial pretty quick. Since I'm saving it, you can revise from it later, okay? So, just a little change in the angle. And here we go. So, stand at the back because we're going to walk forward. So, start walking forward, right leg. Okay, yeah. Before we begin, Instagram, you're already mirrored. So, my right hand is your right hand. My left is your left. For YouTube, you are facing a mirror. I'm not teaching you directly here. So the reason is so that now we are mirrored. My right is your right. My left is your left. Okay, so just act like I'm your mirror image and copy me. So walk forward, step right. Now it has to be a very sexy walk. So you go cross leg right and left to go right again and left open. When you open, you're only touching your toe. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on 5, cross the same left leg over to turn. Now when you turn, you're not going to simply turn like this. My cat. Okay, you're not going to turn like this. What you're going to do is you're going to lift your right leg up and you're going to go for a turn on one leg. Okay, and you're going to step your right leg back again here. So watch me again. 2 steps forward, right, left. Then you go right, left, to go left and then turn on your left leg. So you're going to lift your right leg, turn on your left foot and then drop your right. So it's basically a pirouette. You go on the left to again step your right leg here. So we were here, we switch to take a turn and end here. So that means my right leg is pointed and now my weight has shifted to the left side. Okay. So now let me also teach you the hands with it and then I'm going to tell you the song. So you go right, left, no hands. On the next step, hit your right hand, jazz hands, on your thighs. And when you open your left, you drag your hands up. Okay? So this is ye, tak, ha. And then when you cross your left leg, you place your hands over your head to now turn. Okay, so it happens together, cross, and now you turn on the left leg to then step your right leg down and with that even your hands come down. Okay, so you turn and drop. Okay, so 5, 6, let's do it fast so that the turn is stable enough. Right now you lose balance if you try it slow. So 5, 6, 7, go. Ye, boom, ta, hip, ye, lay, z, lazy. Okay, so that's how it goes. But what you do is you drop it down. You know, your hands are going to touch your, almost your knee, okay, near your knee, on your thighs. And then you're going to drag it up, down, up. So the step goes like this, you know, you throw your right hand, right shoulder and right leg down. So, tha. Okay, and then drag up. To again place it down, drag up. 1, 2. So after the turn, you go for 1, drag it up, drag your right leg up. To go for 2. On 2, your right hand goes on your face. Okay, on your left cheek, like this. So let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Ye, boom, tap, ha. Ye, lazy, lazy. So what do you do with your left hand when you do this? When you do this, your right hand is down, left is up. Then when you drag it, your both hands, you know, your right hand comes up, left comes down, and both come to the neutral position. To again go down like this. But instead of keeping the hands same, what we do is 1, drag, 2. So again your left hand is over your waist, drag. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so lazy, lazy. And now without losing contact with your face, you're going to get your hand over here again. Okay, this time your palm is touching your cheek. Okay, got it? I'm going fast. Am I going too fast? Am I going too fast? Even you have the same t-shirt. That's my husband's t-shirt, by the way. Okay. Hi, do you guys have any questions so far? Any questions related to this? You're so cute. Thank you. I know I'm cute. Now come on, dance with me. 5, 6, 7, go. Ye, boom, ta, ha. Ye, lazy, lazy, lamhe. So before lamhe, your hand is gonna go over your face and come here, and then your leg comes here to go lamhe. Okay, so you're gonna go for 2 thumkas here, but not so desi. It should look a little twerkish. Okay, so you're gonna twerk twice. Yes, little fast. I know I'm a little fast, but 1 घंटे का live नहीं बनाना है. People get scared watching a 1 hour tutorial. That's why I've decided to go a little fast. Okay? So चलो. One more time. Do it with me. I'll sing slowly. Okay? Let's go over the whole thing very slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. Ye, boom, ta, boom. Ye, lazy, lazy, lamhe. And then you turn. There's a music, so your hands are like this. When you turn, you bend forward to go hip. Look over your left shoulder. Left hip goes up. And then look over your right shoulder. Right hip goes up. So 1, 2. A very TikTok kind of step. So I'm assuming you guys know it already. You know, we go for 1, 2. It's that step. Just that we're doing it facing the wall. So you go back and back. Okay? So you did this to the left side. Thumka thumka with your right bum. And then you step it down to go left and right. Okay? As soon as you finish this, you're going to start walking towards your left side. Okay? Before I go ahead, let's finish this part with music. So are you clear? Should we try this with music? Yes or no? Yes, maybe, no, maybe. Yes. Will this video be available? Yes, I'm gonna save it later, but I prefer you doing it with me. Okay, just watch me, guys. Watch me. Understood? So it is boom, tick, tick, ye. So ye. That's why we walk twice. ये beat सुनना पीछे गाने के. ये lazy, lazy lamhe. So you're gonna walk. ये lazy, lazy lamhe. Understood? 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 Yes, yes, yes. I have a lag problem, guys. Please check your connectivity because I have got amazing network. Oh my god, I was gonna slip. Yeah? Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Do you guys want me to, I don't know, hide the chat? How do you hide the chat? I'm gonna switch off the chat, guys. Turn off commenting. Yeah, I'm turning off the comments for now, guys. Please focus on the dance. I'll put the comments back on again. Super chat, none. None. Okay, this is nice. That was really distracting, guys. Okay, now that I'm not reading your chats, right now I'm teaching you, so don't type much. Just focus on learning. Okay, let's go over it, and then I'm gonna come and chat with you guys in like next 10 minutes. So we finished 1, 2, lazy, lazy, lamhe, and lamhe to go boom, boom. We finished this, okay? Now after this, I'm gonna go back. After you finish this and you're facing your like left side, okay? Now you're gonna walk there. First you're gonna walk right, left. You're gonna feel yourself and walk right, left. Okay, so right, left, and then right, left again. So you're here, you go for a right, left, slight body wave to go right, left. What do you do with your hand? So first is feel yourself, and the second is right hand out, left step. Okay, so you do this to turn. So you're here, after you finish the bum bum, you go for a walk and then a right left. Now when you finish the left, almost stepping the left, your left hand comes up like this. So I'm not, many might think lazy lamhe mein maine aise L dikhaya hai, lazy lamhe. No. I don't know. I don't know exactly what I did. I think we were just doing this, you know. Na 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 na. So you just go for a na, not an L. Okay, just a na. Lazy lamhe. That's the step. Okay. So what I'm coming to is, as soon as you finish this, with stepping your left leg, you go for a lazy lamhe. That's a step. So what are you doing with your hand? 1, 2, 3. Nothing else. Just a zigzag. So first take your hand to the left, to the right, to the left, and you're gradually getting it down. With that, your body also goes in the same direction. 1, 2, 3. Zigzag. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. Look at my bum, look at my bum. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Lazy lam. Hey, pe. I'm going to step my right leg forward and drag my left leg. Okay, and I'm pushing with my left hand to go to the right side. So now that I've walked to the left side, I'm going to now walk to my right side for the next few steps, which I'm going to teach you later. Yes? Okay? एक बार करते हैं, then we'll do it with music also. Don't worry. So we are here. We finished left bum, right bum. We walk forward, right, left. Then we go for a right, and then left and left. So you go lazy lum. On hey, push with your left hand. And now that your weight has shifted to your right leg, you're going to walk 2 steps to the right, but with your left leg. So you go for left, right, you walk to the side, and then you start dancing. There's a step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you're just going to lift your left leg up, down, up, down. एक छोटा सा break लेते हैं. I mean, from going ahead. Let's do this much on music. You can watch me once and then try with me on the second time, okay? Are you ready? 5, 6. Lazy, lamhe. 1, 2. I goofed up somewhere. 1 second. Don't worry, it's just that you don't start walking on ye, you start walking on the music before ye. So it's like thak, thak, ye, boom, thak, ye, lazy, lazy, lamhe. बस इतना ही difference है, okay? Sorry, अब तो chat खोलना पड़ेगा. Is that too much of a confusion? Turn on commenting. Turn on. How do I turn on? I am so sweaty right now. Live chat. Yeah. Hi guys, I am sweating. There's no AC in this room. So guys, yeah, this is my first workshop from my new house. This is my dance room, makeup room, storage room, kind of workout room. And yeah, there's no AC in this room, so it's hot. It's really hot. Whew. Can you do it once more? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like 10 times more. Don't worry about that. But yeah, bro, Pooja. I don't even sweat. So people who know me know that I never sweat. In my shoots, I never need a touch-up. But अभी बहुत गर्मी बढ़ रही है, especially after the little drizzling that happened last night. उसके बाद से यही हाल हो रहा है. Okay, so guys, thank you. It's the choreo is lit. Thank you. It's hard. No, it is not. I'll make it very easy for you. Don't worry. Just be with me, okay? I'm learning it, Sonali. Yay! So it's going to be super easy. It's just that you have to walk before the yay. Okay, there are 2 beats. Yay! So I'm going to give you a 5, 6, and then you walk on 7, 8. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Boom! Tuck. Yay! Lazy, lazy. So the bum is on not on lamhe. It's on lazy. And then you have lam he to then go for dum pitch dum dum lazy lam he. Got it? Okay, I'm going to sing the music aise. Dum pitch dum. It's not dum pitch dum. There's this constant tuck tuck beat. But this is for you to learn. So we go for 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, boom, tuck. Yay, lazy, lazy lam he. Boom pitch dum boom ta ta ta. The ta 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 was lazy lam he. Okay, in the background. ठीक है आया is everyone getting it? YouTube, are you guys getting it? Okay, let's go over it one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, boom, tap, hey. Yay, lazy, lazy, lam hey, walk and turn lazy lam hey. So I taught till here, okay? इतना आना चाहिए. 5, 6, walk, walk. Yay, boom, turn. Yay, lazy, lazy lam hey. 1 and 2, lazy lam hey. Yay. Okay, then you start walking. So how do you start walking? You just push yourself forward. Now your weight is on the right leg. So walk 2 steps to the right, go left, right, and then go for lazy, lazy, lam he. Okay, so what is the step? Watch. You were here, you pushed yourself, and then you walk 2 steps, left, right. Now keep your left hand on your waist. You can keep it like this or like this. I'm keeping it ulta, okay? And once you're here, you go for a knee lift. With the knee lift, you touch your forehead, and when you step your leg back, you throw your hand off. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. And it goes in sync with the legs. So 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at my shoulder also moving, okay? I'm not just doing it like this. My body is in sync. So left shoulder out to go in, out, in, out, in. Okay? And there's a little bounce also. A little toe can bounce all together. So 5, 6, 7, go. Lazy, lazy. To then, look at my legs. Look at my legs right now. My weight is on the left. My weight is on the right. My left is out. I'm going to switch and I'm going to switch again. So switch, shuffle. So left foot pe weight, right out, and then shuffle again. With this, the hands. The left is still on my waist. Right hand goes like a whip and whip. Okay? So it was here. Remember 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes 5, 6. So just a cross and cross. Not exactly like it's a straight cross. Let it flow. Let your arm flow. Okay? So I was here. Lazy, lazy, lam, hey, ye, walk. To go lazy, lazy, lam, hey. Lam, hey. Got it? Yes, yes, yes. I might be singing it wrong again, but just understand the steps for now. I'll make you understand with the music later. Because इसमें ना इस गाने में बहुत सारी beats हैं which I can't sing properly right now. But when I do it with music, you'll understand. Getting it? Yes? I got it. Very good. Amazing. Good job, people. चलो तो थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ते हैं. We did lazy lum. Hey, ye lazy. I really don't know the lyrics. Let me give you a count, okay? So we walk forward, left, right. Then we go for a left, up, down to go switch and a switch. After you finish 2 switches, you switch again. So weight shift to your left, but instead of throwing your right leg out, you go for a cross. I do this a lot in my choreography. In fact, you'll see this in a lot of choreographies. Cross, turn. Simple. Cross kara, turn kiya. Okay? Cross kiya, turn kiya. So if I'm crossing my right leg, the only possibility for me to turn is through my left shoulder. I cannot now turn like this. Okay? So I'm going to turn like this. This is how I'm supposed to turn right now. As soon as I finish the whip and the whip, I switch again, but I cross my legs. My hand goes over my right hand, okay, goes over my head to make me turn. So my body turns first and my head goes later, okay, watch. So that the turn looks nice. Now instead of turning like this, standing upright, I'm going to go down straight, okay. So 1, 2, down. Both my hands go down. My knees are absolutely straight and I'm sort of touching my ankles. And then I drag my hands over my leg, left leg, to rise up slowly. Okay? One more time. We finished. Lazy lum, hey, walk, left leg, switch, turn. So you watch how my hand does not leave the connectivity. It's not like एक step खत्म किया अब jump कर रहे हैं दूसरे में. It's like a flow. It's like a flow. So my hand goes in, out to go whip, goes over my head, makes me turn, I go down. Okay? And yeah, if you don't want to keep both your legs straight, you can bend your right knee. That's totally fine. In fact, it looks cool. In fact, I think I might have bent it in the choreography. I don't remember. So just hold your ankle and then slowly rise up. So if you see in my video, there are 3 counts. And all 3 of us, me, Pooja, Asha. Hi Pooja, hi Asha if you're on call. If you're on this live. So yeah, we come up one by one. So it's like me and then Asha and then Pooja. So you guys will have 3 counts if you're doing a solo to come up. So you can take your time and come up 1, 2, 3. And then you again have the lazy lamhe step. Now instead of doing it with the left side, to the left side, you do it to the right side. So you're going to step your right leg. You remember what we did there? Left leg ke saath, hand and then hand. And your waist goes ta-ta-ta. Same thing, exact opposite. We go right leg, right hand, ta-ta-ta. Okay, so we get up, lazy, after the ta-ta-ta-ta, lazy lum. And this time on hey, you just go for hey. So just take a thumb over your lips. That's it. And that's how you finish it. And then you start grooving. And that's it with the choreography. We are done. And I am doing it again. Wait. Yeah, I'm going to do it a couple of more times. Don't worry. So, we were here. Up, down. Switch. Right leg out. Switch. Left leg out. Left leg in, right leg. Cross. Turn. Go down. When you go down, bend your right knee. Okay? Hold your left ankle and then rise up slowly. Now you're going to bring your right leg, which is behind right now, forward. With that, your right hand, not L, just a loose hand, goes lazy lum. Lazy lum. Okay? So lazy lum. Sit on your right. Lazy lum. Hey. And then you can do whatever you want. Okay? एक बार म्यूजिक पे करते हैं because I also need to figure out exactly क्या lyrics पे क्या step है. We do only the second half. Did you understand? Did you get it? Guys, I'm going to ask you Instagram. I'm going to ask you to come live and dance with me, okay? So I hope everyone's doing it. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Can you just show me like a thumbs up if you're getting it or not? Thumbs up. And a thumbs down if you're not getting it at all. Yes. Can I see this? Can I see this? Not a single this. Oh, very good, YouTube. Not a single this coming on Instagram. Guys, are you lost? नहीं आ रहा है तो ये भेजो, पर कुछ तो भेजो. Yes, okay. I see a couple of thumbs up. Very good. Asha, you getting it? सब पूछ रहे हैं आप लाइव सेव करोगे क्या? मैंने लाइव के स्टार्ट में ही बोला था कि मैं ये लाइव सेव करूंगी ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल एज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, बट दैट डजंट मीन यू डोंट लर्न इट राइट नाउ. इफ यू आर लाइव राइट नाउ, लर्न इट. डोंट बी अ लेजी एस. इट्स अ संडे. मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. चलो, वन मोर टाइम. सो व्हेन वी फिनिश, लेजी लम्हे, ये लेजी लेजी लम्हे, दिन तड़क दिन, lazy लम्हे. There's no dhin tadak din, there is just some beat. Dish, dish, dish. Okay, I'm just singing it bad, but go over the choreography with me. Okay, chalo. From the top, get ready everyone. I'm giving you 2 seconds. पीछे आ जाओ सब लोग. आ गए? Is everyone ready? Show me this. Okay, it's okay. I can't see you all. Chalo, 5, 6. Remember, 5, 6, you walk on the 7, 8. There's a music before ye. We're not walking on ye. Okay, I repeat. We're not walking on ye. We're walking on 7, 8 to go for ye. Okay, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ye. Boom. Tuck. Ye. Lazy. Lazy. Lamhe. I'm going back so that you can see me. I'm going to walk to my... Right now my right side, okay? So I go forward, right, left, right leg, and then left leg with the hand, okay? So lazy lum, hey. Okay, after the hey, let me go further back to then start walking to my right side again. Left leg, right leg, left up, left down, left up, left down. Switch, right leg out, switch, left leg out, switch, right leg cross to turn and go down. Whoops. Okay. Now from here you're gonna rise up slowly. 1, 2, 3. 3 counts to go for lazy lum. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, lazy lum. A lot of sass here. ये कोई step नहीं है. ऐसा कोई step नहीं है. So this is just sass. Lazy lum. You can do this also. You can do lazy lum hai, or you can do whatever. Lazy lum hai. Okay. So this is just 3 counts of 1, 2, 3. Lum hai. Lazy lum. Lazy lum. And then hey, whatever you want to do. Got it? 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 Oops, is the chat off? No, it's on. Good. That means YouTube people are actually learning. You guys are not learning. You're just typing. Stop it. Huh. Chalo. Let's go. One more time. 5. Last time, guys. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Go. Oops. 7 and 8 में walk करना है. Don't forget. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. ये boom. Ta. Hey. ये lazy. Lazy lum. Hey. To walk. Boom. Pita. Boom. Boom. Lazy lum. Hey. ये boom. Lazy. Lazy lum. Hey. Boom. Pita. Whatever come up to go. Lazy lum. Hey. Got it? Shall we try with music? Shall we try with music? Shall we try with music, guys? मेरे को ही नचाओ, तुम लोग नाचो मत. Let's do it with music. चलो बस हो गया. Last time. Ready? Oh. Let me tell you when you have to start walking. Not on ye. Get easy. Walk, walk, ye. Understood? So get easy. Walk, walk. It's a little fast, I agree, but it's very easy. Okay? So guys, I'm gonna save this live. So I don't see a point on going over it again and again because you can always rewind and watch it again. Yeah? So I'm gonna end this YouTube live. Instagram, you stay. I'm gonna ask you to come live and dance for me. Plus, I have an announcement to make regarding my Wednesday Reels contest. If you guys are there on Instagram, hop onto my Instagram right now because I have an important news to share. Okay, so YouTube people, thank you so much for joining. You guys are super sweet. I know we couldn't interact. I know we couldn't interact and talk much right now because I wanted to just keep it to the point, you know, and teach the choreography. I hope you guys shoot reels and shots, whatever you do, tag me. And thank you for joining. I'm saving this for later. So bye-bye.